Taking action, unraveling intransitive verbs. Hello, language learners. Today we're taking a deep dive into the world of verbs. Specifically, we're going to talk about intransitive verbs. These are an integral part of English grammar, and understanding them will add great value to your language skills. So, let's jump in. An intransitive verb is a type of verb that does not require a direct object to complete its meaning. Unlike transitive verbs, which need something or someone to receive the action, intransitive verbs stand on their own. They're complete all by themselves. For example, consider the sentence, "The sun rises." Here, rises is an intransitive verb. It doesn't need an object to make sense. Now let's look at some examples of intransitive verbs. Here are a few. Sleep. I usually sleep 8 hours a night. Laugh. The baby laughed. Sit. Please sit over there. Arrive. She will arrive tomorrow. Remember, all these verbs are self-sufficient. They don't require an object to complete their meaning. Intransitive verbs can be found in various sentence structures. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Simple sentences. The cat slept. 2. Compound sentences. He ran, and she laughed. 3. Complex sentences. When the alarm rang, I woke up. Each of these examples showcases intransitive verbs in different sentence structures, highlighting their versatility in English grammar. While intransitive verbs don't require direct objects, they can be followed by other types of phrases, like prepositional phrases. For example, she sneezed loudly during the concert. Here, during the concert, is a prepositional phrase, not a direct object, so sneezed remains an intransitive verb. That wraps up our discussion on intransitive verbs. Remember, these are verbs that do not require a direct object to complete their meaning. Whether you're sleeping, laughing, sitting, or arriving, you're using intransitive verbs. Keep practicing and observing these verbs in your daily reading and conversations. Your English skills will continue to grow and flourish with every new grammar rule you master. Happy learning!